Welcome to the Children's Place. Let's play the picture game today. Bird Edition. Can you name the bird? This is a vulture. This is a pigeon. This is a crow. This is a sparrow. This is a peacock. This is a flamingo. This is an ostrich. This is a parrot. This is a hen. This is a hummingbird. This is an owl. This is a bald eagle. This is a penguin. This is a duck. This is a seagull. This is a stork. This is a turkey. This is a cockatoo. This is a blue jay. This is a toucan. This is a swan. This is a crane. Thank you, children. See you soon.